Hi Scorpios, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, guys. Scorpios, for your general energies, career situation and relationship, guys. We are picking few cards, Scorpios. If you want more clarity in your situation today, guys, you can watch the pick a card love reading I have right after this general reading, guys. So let's see what are these cards first. We have Wheel of Fortune in reverse, Five of Swords and Knight of Cups. So Scorpios, today in your life, it may be in your work or it may be in your relationship, you are struggling hard, making lot of efforts. Maybe things are not going up to expectation. So some kind of troubles are there. You are fighting. You want to make things go in the right way, and you are working hard, putting in lot of efforts, and you are trying to make changes in your situation, guys, and you are trying your best. And in your life today, guys, maybe however hard you're working, certain things you are unable to change, guys, and it may be blamed on destiny. So maybe you are maybe even this person is trying to change the way things are going between you both, but they are unable to come to an understanding with you. So something is obstructing the way things are going, guys. It may be called karma or destiny that may be playing its part, and that is that can be blamed for your circumstances today, guys, Scorpios. And I also see that in certain things you are going to be extremely successful. You are seeing the path to success, the right things to do. So again, your situation may resolve in your relationship, and it may take a positive turn, and you are getting married or getting engaged to this person you love. So a positive turn in your relationship, or a positive turn of events in your career. And I also see that someone is coming to you with a good news. So this person is coming with the good news in your work situation, maybe some projects, new opportunities, or it may be regarding this relationship. Maybe this person is sending you a message through someone, or it may be a common friend who is trying to help you both reach that understanding. So some positive changes are what I see, guys, in your situation today. So a messenger or a message or this person is changing the way things are going in your life today, guys. So, and again, it may be destiny. Destiny may be the reason for things going in such a way. Maybe your fights or arguments, whatever misunderstandings you had, it is giving you both clarity about each other. So you know very well now what is that other person and what do they have in their heart. So you know with clarity today, and that may be the reason for a deeper understanding and love in your life today, guys, Scorpios. So that is the energy with these cards, guys, Scorpios. If you want more clarity, you can watch the pick a card love reading, guys. Thank you for watching this video. Stay tuned for that pick a card love reading, Scorpios. For your love reading, guys, we have 3 cards here and 3 crystals, and it is going to be like a pick a card. So you can think about your situation, close your eyes, choose with these crystals or the cards, whatever comes to you first. So that card may answer your questions or clear your doubts, guys. So I will start the reading with this card. This is your first card, this is your second card, and this is your third card. So I will start the reading after a few seconds of silence, guys. Okay, guys, so now let's start with the first card. So, for those who chose this card, the first card, guys, and this crystal, let's see what it is. We have Archangel Rahul. So it is an angel card here, guys. It just means that angels are here guiding us today. And maybe in your life today, for those who chose this card, you feel that you have been unfairly treated. Someone has wronged you in some ways, and it is really difficult for you to maintain that harmony and balance. So, however, you are trying to console yourself, let go of all that hurt. You feel really hurt and you're so much emotionally disturbed because of the way they treated you, guys. And maybe for some of you, you may also be involved in some kind of a lawsuit. So, some legal matters are also happening today in your life. But you need not worry, guys. This angel card is a guidance for you all. So, and the guidance is clarity of thought, and you will feel harmony in your self, guys. You will have that balanced nature. You will again have that. Maybe today you are quite emotional, maybe you are crying, you are very much disturbed, but all that is going to resolve for you all, guys. So that is the energy with this card, and this angel card is the guidance for you all. So all your emotional disturbances, and maybe if there is some kind of a lawsuit, or if you want clarity of thought, that is what is happening today in your life today, guys. So that is the energy with this card, guys, for those who chose this card. So what is the second card and the second crystal? For those who chose this second crystal and this card, so let's see what it is. We have celestite. So this crystal spirit's guidance for us today is that, guys, maybe angels or that higher power or God, whatever we call it, that is helping us by whispering to us, showing us signs through people. It may be strangers or someone you barely know. So you are facing some specific challenges in your relationship, guys, and these angels are dedicated to be your friend, healer, and will do anything they can to connect you to people with gifts for you. So they are going to help you open your eyes, see the truth, and guide you in the right way, guys. So you may have people telling you some words, and that may point you, or that may give you clarity in certain things, but you need to be very attentive, guys, because angels are here guiding you. And with a simple prayer, with our honest intention to listen to them, we can invoke their blessings today, the angels' blessings in your situation. So if you are facing any challenges in your relationship, this angel spirit is guiding you to come out of that difficulty, guys. So that is the energy with this card, guys, for those who chose this second card. So let's see what is the third card. For those who chose this crystal and this card, we have chop wood. So with this card, guys, the energy is that maybe in our relationship today, nothing is more important than those simpler day-to-day activities that we do together, guys. So sometimes Not everything has to be big. We may not be achieving some big things today. And we need to understand that relationships and friendships often go through lulls, and everyday tasks are the ones that is going to create a center of awareness, and that is what is perfect for the time right now. So you need to uh, what is a don't go for huge decisions or big things right now. You just have to go for the simpler, smaller things like holding hands, reading a book together, sharing a meal, just being with this other person, spending time with them. So that is going to work in a magical way in this relationship. And just being present is going to change the way things are between you both, guys. So everything is going all right. You need to understand that, and just spending time with them is going to resolve many difficulties in this relationship for you guys. So that is the energy with this card for those who chose this card. That is the reading, guys. I hope this reading resonates, guys. If it does, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know your suggestions, guys. I will see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, guys.